You just watched a full film crew spend 2 days on set for a 3-second clip. What if you could recreate that exact shot, same cinematic quality, in under a minute on your laptop? That is what I am showing you today. The real problem with AI video is not quality, it is consistency. One beautiful shot, then the next has a different face, different clothes, floaty motion, and you still have to manually sync audio and pray it stitches together. Useless for real content. Seedance 2.0 on OpenArt fixes this. Let me prove it with bullet time. First scene, a vlogger slips on ice on Wall Street. The camera swoops around them mid-fall, world frozen, briefcases mid-air, pigeons locked in flight. One generation, same face, same jacket, every angle. Second scene, a food commercial. A chef tosses ingredients, time stops. Camera orbits suspended sauce droplets and frozen steam above a pan. Native audio kicks in, kitchen ambience, music swell, all generated in the same pass. No manual sync, it just works. That is because Seedance 2.0 is genuinely multimodal. Text, images, video and audio all in one generation. Up to 9 images, 3 videos, 3 audio files. Each one does a specific job. Image defines the character, video defines the camera move, audio drives the rhythm. The model reads each piece and pulls it into one coherent scene. Character consistency is locked across every shot. OpenArt also lets you upload your own face or original characters as references, and they stay on model throughout. Camera control is real director level, tracking shots, dolly, POV, rack focus, up to 60 frames per second. Audio is native, dialogue, sound effects, music, lip sync in over 8 languages, all in the same pass. Over 90% of generations are usable first try. Current limit is around 15 seconds per clip. 1080p coming soon. For cinematic sequences and social content, it is already the most reliable tool I have tested. Link in the description, fill out the short access form and grab the Teams plan with the coupon code for 60% off. Cancel manually if you do not want it to renew. Drop a comment below telling me how you would use bullet time in your own content. Subscribe and hit notifications so you catch the next breakdown.